Hi, I'm Captora Elanga. Me and my family love exploring nature, and we want to share it with you the beautiful places we've been. So, if you love adventure like us, sit back and relax and enjoy the beautiful video. So beautiful. Morning guys, so today we are going to the beach. So Liam is there outside already. Say hi guys.
Hi.
We're going to the beach. Yeah, okay, let's go. You go first. Yay. Go first. So today is a beautiful hot sunny day. And we are going to the beach.
Hello, Krishna.
Wow. Say hello everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Yeah. Today is a quick beach time guys because later I have work. So let's take a quick beach time. Alright. Hola. Go, go, go. Let's go to the beach. We are right now here at the mini forest, guys. So let's go. Come, Liam.
Oh, look, a
What is
bottle.
that? Yeah, a bottle. People throw there.
Yeah. So,
What is that? Ah, kaka. Yeah,
it's for dogs.
kaka of the dog.
Poo. It's poo.
Yep.
Another one.
Another one.
Yeah.
Say hello to your subscriber.
Oh.
Say hello to your fans first.
Hello.
Hello everyone. Oh, today is beach time. So we are here at the mini forest right now, guys.
Over here.
Yeah. So we're almost near at the beach, guys. Wow. So let's go, guys. Liam is there. You go first, Liam.
Let's go over there.
Yeah,
Let's
go.
go over there.
Okay.
Let's go there.
Yeah, you go
There,
first.
there.
Okay, you go first. Be careful, okay? Wow, there's a lot of people at the beach, guys. Wow.
Let's go over there.
Yeah, let's go over here. Wow, there's so many people at the beach, guys.
No,
Look at
no,
that.
let's go over there.
Okay, you go first.
Yeah, let's go over there, and there is a fish.
Yeah.
There. I see. What
You
is
see
that,
the
a boat?
fish?
Look, a boat.
Yeah.
Look, a boat.
Yeah, let's
You
go.
see it?
Yeah, I see it. Wow.
It's so heavy.
I'll bring the bucket. Give mommy the bucket. I bring the fish net. Okay.
I get a hot fish. Like how my video tapo.
Okay, you go first. Liam is there working, guys. Go over there. Here.
Let's go in the water.
Let's go in the
Look,
water.
a person.
Yeah.
The castle.
A castle.
See outside.
Yeah.
So noisy.
So noisy outside. Wow, it's dirty here. The water is dirty.
No, not there. No swimming that water. No. Look the bag.
Yeah, it's very dirty in this
Ay, papi
area.
ang bag. It's
Yeah.
papi. Papi ang bag.
Why?
Init.
Ah,
Init ang bag, no?
not so.
Let's go over there.
Okay.
Over there.
Why the water is so dirty? The water is so dirty.
Because the seaweed.
Ah, the seaweeds.
Because the seaweed so the seaweed.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, over there is not. Over there is not dirty.
Yeah.
Making this is the boat. The waves is the making the boat.
Ah, okay.
Because the boat in the boat is like a boat.
Come, let's go.
No, it's so dirty.
Yeah, so dirty.
It's a seaweed.
Yeah, so we're here right now, guys, at the pool area, the
My
backside
God.
of Leonardo Royal
Look.
Hotel.
Again.
Wow.
Look ang fire. Seaweed.
So we are walking here.
Look some stonefish. Look,
Yeah, where's the stonefish?
there.
Okay, let's go over there.
Look, some jet ski.
Yeah, there's a jet
See
ski.
the jet ski?
Yeah.
Oh, it's not.
No, no, no. It's dirty or it's clean?
And here
Let's
the
go
water is-
catch some fish in here.
Yeah. Here, hold it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gonna catch some fish.
Yeah, we're gonna catch some fish, guys. Be careful, okay? Slippery in there.
Oh, baby. Oh, crab.
Crab, we will not catch a crab, fish only. Oh, it's very hot. Over there, let's go over there, at the other side.
Yeah. Oh, there. Oh, there.
You go in the water.
Here, let's.
So Liam wants in the other side, guys. Look at that, there's so many people in the beach.
Look here. Look a boat.
Yeah,
It's abandoned.
yeah, abandoned boat.
Go down now.
Wait.
Oh, there. Look at
Uy, may
there.
tao, may people. There's a people. Liam will go catch fish, guys.
Yeah.
Here? Where you going? Let's see if we can find some fish.
Ando tadi, Papa, tapos kita ko fish.
Oh, but now there's no fish in here. On the other side, maybe.
Oh, a crab.
A crab.
Yeah, I see. Go there.
Where you going? But it's slippery, Liam. It's slippery over there. Liam will go fishing, guys. Wow. It's very slippery. Here it's very slippery.
Fish na daron. Dala na to.
Okay. Wow.
May shake ko si Hall. Shake ko, Hall.
Yeah.
And I shake in the hole.
No, there's no fish. Well, there's a boat.
Let's go stick in the bottom.
Fresh water. You like the water?
Yes.
It's cold though, it's warm. You want to play your water gun?
You go there.
No, I don't want to go there. It's dirty. The water, look. It's so dark.
Not there. Over there. In the seaweed.
Yeah.
Here, here.
But it's so dirty.
Yes.
Let's check if there's a
Here.
fish.
A fish in that. Look at it.
Okay.
You. They're ready for you. You. Let's go. Wait. Hi guys. Look.
Here at
Here.
over there. Hello guys, Liam is here guys. Huh? Watch ka? Ma-watch ka? Wow. Oh, let's go.
Ay na. Hindi. Mataon pa? Mataon pa?
We'll go buy ice cream.
Mataon pa?
Yeah?
Mataon pa?
No? We'll have to buy ice cream. Wow.
Let's go past. Let's go past the square.
There's so dirty here. The water is so dirty.
Let's go past the square.
Catch fish. But there's no fish.
A big wave.
Yeah, big waves, big waves.
Ato ito. Big
Big
wave.
waves. Wow.
Mato bigger. Big rock. Aging kita. Ah. Aqua.
Jellyfish. Big waves. Hindi na sa talong. Ano na, big waves ay, big waves. Ano, dali, palapit kay mami, ano, big waves ay. Lala, big waves. Lala, big waves. Big waves. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh. Name? Oh, wala gaaso ang boat to? Gaaso tong boat tayo? Ang boat gaaso. Ito sa punta. Ato dito. Ato dito sobraan ni mami na yun, may boat nga gaaso. Talis ko.
Ato?
Sobraan ni mami. Belong din ka mo kapang ma-fishing with ito, Mac.
Ay!
May gaaso nga boat. Kita mo na?
Ano lang na? Ka-drive. Ka-drive.
That's all for today's vlog, and thank you so much for watching, guys. See you again in my next video. Bye bye.